kuona sumbua kabisa. Nichukue. Hi guys, now we're in the kitchen. We're in the preparation of today we're going to check matumbo. I don't know how we call it in English, but it's in my intestines. And then we have pupu. We have chicken. Imekuwa tayari. Tunaandaa maandalizi ya lunch. Hey guys, sit back, relax, and let's be ready for lunch. Hebu salimia watu wangu wa YouTube, uambie kitu.
Hi guys, my granny is a good girl. She's like a mom. I love her so much.
Sauti.
Hi guys, this is my auntie. I love her. She's like my aunt. So love her like I love her.
And then subscribe.
Subscribe, like and share.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
A few moments later, we went to the garden to fetch some grains so that we can prepare dinner. So guys, I'm looking for the these are vegetables at home. These are pumpkin leaves, and when they are soft, we do eat them. So I'm trying to look for the ones that are soft, like these ones. Then we are going to eat them. Guys, these are the pumpkin leaves. We normally eat them before they produce the pumpkin itself. Oh, we are at a country. We are up country. These are the vegetables, guys. I got managu. I got some hot chili. I got the pumpkin leaves. I'm going to cook them. So tomorrow I'm going to show you how to prepare pumpkin leaves and the managus. So guys, it's now late and I think heading to 7 p.m. I think I'll finish my video from there and then we meet on the next one. I think these ones are enough because I'm just alone. My husband doesn't do these pumpkin leaves, but I do. I'm going to mix with the mito. I don't know who knows mito. Let me add some little. Some little of them. I think they are enough for me now. Guys, I think these ones are enough for me. We meet on the next video. Bye. This is my garden. So I'm looking for green vegetables. We are looking for saga, managu, terere, mito. Yeah, green vegetables, traditional green vegetables. So I'm just in the garden. Um, yeah, nothing more, guys. I'm just showing you my lifestyle. Hey, I'm still at upcountry. I'll be traveling to Nairobi by next week. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Anyway, I like you so much, and for everyone who is supporting this channel, asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki sana na muwe na mwaka mpya ulio na baraka na mafanikio. Nawapenda sana sana sana. Click on notification when I upload a video. You're the first one to be notified, and then you share, you like. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. Asanteni. Eh. Ani nishachuna mboga. Nishachuna mboga. Sasa huku ndio ancestral home. Eh. Na shamba ni kubwa ni. Nishachuna mboga. I'm good to go. Nimesha prune yote baba.
Hiyo utafanya mpaka kesho tutafuta maziwa.
I've already pruned everything. I've done everything. Everything.
Hiyo kuku yangu naona maana yake na hizi machupa. Kuna vitu nafanya hapa. Hapa kuna tree nursery.
Hizi mandizi zote wewe ndio umepanda?
Nimepanda last year. Kuanzia mwezi wa 3.
Hey, they are doing good.
Ile nyingine inaanza kusema watu kwa just stress. Tembea tu. Unataka ku relax. Nikupatie ukuaje ile ya squat.
Ani utaki kutembea? Hewa mzuri kabisa.
This is my solar jiko.
Oh, your solar jiko. Sarakasi. Hakuna vitu za engineering. Unaona ile kitu nilikuwa naambia utengenezee Rosi hivyo. Hiyo. Ile nyumba kama ile.
Ndio inaitwa mausoleum.
Inaitwa?
Mausoleum.
Oh. You. Hey. When last were you here?
Not more than a year.
Eh.
So I was here.
That's my warm water from the solar jiko.
Okay. It's warm, yeah.
I'll give you. Let me give you.
Oh, okay. So this is your ancestral land. Your father came from this side. Your grandfather. Great grand. Ah. They had a very big land. So guys, we are at home. Great grand, her land, ancestral home. Yeah? I need to tell them a story.
Hello guys. I think I'm the 10th or 15th grandchild of Strong. Maybe even I'm making a mistake. Maybe the 20th. Maybe the 20th grandchild. Great grandchild of Strong.
So the relationship
who occupied this area maybe before BC's before Christ.
What?
Then we moved to where we are presently in the 17th century or something like that. Now as we are